Hey guys, it is LK, Unicorn Sparkles, and today I'm going to be showing you my Warrior Cat collection. So, I'm on page 76 on this book right here on the top, the first one. So this is Warriors Into the Wild. This is the first book. This one is Fire and Ice. I've actually been really excited to read this one. This one is the third one, Forest of Secrets. This is the Raging Storm, number 4. This is the Dark, A Dangerous Path. This is number 5. And The Darkest Hour, number 6. So those are all my Warrior Cat books that I have. So I can't wait to get the next series of Warrior Cats, because when I was I'm going to tell you a story of when I was like a little younger than my age right now. I would always want Warrior Cat books, and because I've been watching a lot of Warrior Cat videos, so yeah, and I still really want the next series, and I still want to read them all, so because I'm only on 76 on this one. And my favorite part of this book was when Yellow Thing jumped out and started to fight Firepaw. And I already knew about that part because I watched this one YouTuber that makes a lot of these Warrior Cat videos. I didn't really pay attention to her YouTube name. I just pay attention to the videos because I love them so much. So I gotta say, I cannot wait until, let me find that one. Yeah, here. The Forest of Secrets. Because I think this is gonna be a really good one. I haven't seen the video that she made of the number 3 book, unless she hasn't done it yet. But yeah, she at the end of this book right here, spoiler alert, but at the end of this book he becomes a warrior. So I do recommend you get these books. They are one of the best books I have. So yeah, so this is the first one. This is the second one. Fire and Ice. This one that I showed you just a second ago. It's the third one. The fourth one. Alright, Storm. And finally the last one. Warriors, A Dangerous Path. And then the 6th one. This is the 5th one, sorry. Yeah, this is the 5th one. Wait, did I say the 5th one? I don't remember. Sorry. Oh, on this book, I'm kind of confused by Tiger Claw. Yeah, let me show you. Tiger Claw is watching Fireheart. I think he's stalking him. But anyway, bye. Please like to subscribe to my channel. Bye.